Children, so next is time to answer. Yes, answer the following question. The first exercise after the lesson. Exercise A. Answer the following questions. Which is the first question here? Yes, the first question is why the hunter-gatherers are called nomads. Hunter-gatherers are called nomads. Why? What is the reason? Answer: early humans were dependent on herbivores. Early humans were dependent on herbivores for their food. Early humans used to depend on herbivorous animals for the food like deer, antelope, etc. The grass-eating animals migrated to new areas for the food. They are the grass-eating animals. Herbivorous animals eat only grass, plants. So they migrate to new area for the food. And the early human used to follow these animals for a constant source of food supply, because they are the main source of food supply. These herbivorous animals, because they were the main source of food supply, this early man always follow these animals wherever they go. Hence, they were known as nomads, because they are traveling or moving or migrating from one place to another or following these animals and they are going. They are known as nomads. So this is the reason why we call them as nomads. Yes, so why the hunter-gatherers are called nomads? Early humans were dependent on herbivores for the food. The grass-eating animals migrated to new areas for the food, and the early human used to follow these animals for a constant source of food supply. Hence, they were known as nomads. Now, coming to the second question, children. The second question is, why did the early humans eat raw food? What is the reason for eating raw food as it is? They used to hunt animals, we know. Early humans hunted animals, isn't it? That's why they are called hunter-gatherers also, because they used to hunt animals. And after hunting animals, they eat as it is. Raw food it is called. Why? Without cooking they are eating. Yes. Answer: before the discovery of fire, the early man ate raw food, as he did not know how to cook. Because he did not know how to cook. Fire was not invented. They did not know to cook the food. So they used to eat raw food. That's the reason they ate raw food. Yes, so why did the early humans eat raw food? Before the discovery of fire, the early man ate raw food as he did not know how to cook. So the first question is, why the hunter-gatherers are called nomads? Early humans were dependent on herbivores for the food. The grass-eating animals migrated to new areas for the food, and the early human used to follow these animals for a constant source of food supply. Hence, they were known as nomads. Second, why did the early humans eat raw food? Answer: before the discovery of fire, the early man ate raw food as he did not know how to cook. Okay? So children, our next question number 3. How did the early humans use fire? Yes, accidentally they invented fire by rubbing two stones together. Yes, then after inventing fire, how they used it? Answer: the early humans used fire to cook food, keep themselves warm, and to scare away animals. Yes, so early humans used fire to cook the raw food, then keep themselves warm when it is so cool. To keep themselves warm, they used fire. They used to use that dry sticks leaves to keep it burning, and to scare away animals. Wild animals were there. To scare away them, they used fire. Fourth question, name the first boat made by early humans. Yes, which was the first boat made by early humans, children? When they found the logs of wood floating on water, they got the idea and they joined the pieces of wood and they made a raft. Yes, rafts. The first boat made by early humans, RAFTS. Rafts were the first boats made by early humans. And the last question, fifth question, what is a sledge? What is a sledge? Answer, sledges were simple machines invented by early humans to carry heavy loads while walking. So sledges were simple machines invented by early humans to carry the heavy things, heavy loads, 100 animals, other things. When they travel, move from one place to another to carry it, they use, while walking, they use sledges. So third question, how did the early humans use fire? The early humans used fire to cook food, keep themselves warm, and to scare, S-C-A-R-E, scare away animals. Then fourth question, name the first boat made by early humans. Answer, rafts were the first boats made by early humans. And the last fifth question is, what is a sledge? Answer, sledges were simple machines invented by early humans to carry heavy loads while walking. Children, so our next exercise is exercise B. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. So you have to fill up these blanks using the clue kit. There is a clue kit just after the questions given in the textbook, but I have written the clue kit above all the questions here, okay, so that you can see it clearly. In the clue kit, they have given few words. Using these words, you have to fill up the blanks. So let us see which are the words given in the clue kit. Tree, T-H-R-E, tree. Roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Jungles, J-U-N-G-L-E-S, jungles. So these are the words given in the clue kit. Now using these words, you have to fill up each blank. First one, first fill up the blankers. First, humans took shape about dash million years ago. Yes, the very first, the starting of the lesson you are reading this. Yes, first humans took shape about, yes, 3 million years ago. The answer is 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3 million years ago. Second, fill up the blankers. Early humans lived in dash. Yes, those days there were no houses like us, so early humans lived in the caves, in the jungles. Yes, early humans lived in jungles. This is the answer. J-U-N-G-L-E-S, jungles. Third, early humans used sharp stones to digging the ground to take out dash. They use sharp stones to dig the ground to take out, yes, take out the roots of fresh plants. Yes, fresh plants, fleshy roots of plants. Yes, this is the answer. Roots, to take out roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Then fourth question, early humans used fire to scare away, yes, animals, to scare away the wild animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, LS, animals. The last fill up the blank is the early human traveled from one place to another by dash. Before inventing sledge, raft and all, they used to travel from one place to another by, yes, by foot. F-O-O-T, foot. They used to walk and go long distances. Yes, first humans took shape about 3 million years ago. Second, early humans lived in jungles. Third, early humans used sharp stones to dig in the ground to take out roots. Fourth, early humans used fire to scare away animals. Last one, the early human traveled from one place to another by foot. Okay? Yes, children. So our next exercise is exercise C. Write yes or no for the following statements. So given are few statements. Read the statements and think whether the given statements are true or false. If the statement is a correct statement or if it is true, then you have to write S in the brackets. If the statement is a false or if it is not true, not correct, then write no in the brackets given. Okay? So our first statement is the early humans scribbled on walls of caves using knives. Is that statement correct, children? Yes, you already learned that early humans scribbled on the walls of the caves. That is correct. But it is not using knives. Using stones they scribbled. So the given statement is wrong. So you can write no. No in the bracket. No. Then second, early humans used guns for hunting. Early humans used guns for hunting. Is it strange to hear that? Yes, whether they used guns or something else for hunting, tools they used from stones, isn't it? So the early humans used guns for hunting as a wrong statement. So again, no. N-O, no. Third, early human wore variety of clothes. Is that statement true, children? Early human wore variety of clothes. No, the statement is wrong. So write no. N-O, no. Then the fourth one, the early humans used needles made by sharpening animal bones at one end. How they stitched the clothes. They used to wear the leaves of trees, skin of animals, and later on from leather they softened the leather and they started stitching clothes using needles, and needles that they used, how they made it by sharpening the animal bones at one end. So the given statement is a true statement. So you can write S in the bracket. Y-E-S. Yes. The last one, early humans observed nature curiously. Is that statement true? Early humans observed nature very curiously, and because of that they invented everything, isn't it? And because of that they existed. Yes, so early humans observed nature curiously. The given statement is true, so you can write yes in the bracket. Y-E-S. Yes. So the first one is the early humans scribbled on the walls of caves using knives. Wrong statement, so no. Second, early humans used guns for hunting. Wrong statement, so no. Third, early human wore variety of clothes. Again, wrong statement, so no. Fourth one, the early humans used needles made by sharpening animal bones at one end is a true statement, so yes. And the last one, early humans observed nature curiously is a right statement, so yes. Okay. Children, so our next exercise is exercise D, match the following. So given here are words to match, you have to do the correct match. Here the words given in this side is clothes of early human, second tools of early human, third scribblings, four hunter-gatherers, fifth wheels of early human. Words given on the other side, sharp stones, cave paintings, round logs, leaves and animal skin, nomads. Now you have to do the correct match. Let us see which is matching to what. Yes, first one, clothes of early human. How about the clothes of early human? What they used? Early human used leaves and animal skin as their clothes. So clothes of early human. D, leaves and animal skin. You can match with the first one to D. 1 to D. Second, tools of early human. Tools of early human. Yes. Sharp stones were the tools of early human. A. So 2 you can match to A. Third, scribblings. Scribblings. Early man used to do scribblings using sharp stones. Using stones. It is called, they are called cave paintings. So 3 you can match to B. Cave paintings. Scribblings to cave paintings. 4 hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers, they are called nomads. Yes, nomads. Because they used to go from one place to another. They used to follow herbivorous animals for the constant supply of food. So 4 you can match to E. Hunter-gatherers, nomads. Fifth one, wheels of early human. Yes, wheels of early human. The one left here is round logs. They used round logs as wheels. So wheels of early human were round logs. So round logs, C. So you can match 5 to C. Yes. So first one, clothes of early human, leaves and animal skin, 1 to D. Second, tools of early human, or sharp stones, so 2 to A. Third, scribblings, cave paintings, so 3 to B. Then fourth, hunter-gatherers, nomads, so 4 to E. And last, wheels of early human, round logs, 5 to C. Okay? Yes. And the last one is time to do the project work. Collect the information about different type of early humans with the help of your guide teacher and list out them with details. So the project work given to you is to collect the information about different types of early humans. So one type of early human you already learned. Like this, there were different types of early human lived long back, millions of years ago on the earth. So you have to collect the information about all these types of early human. With the help of teacher, you can take the help of teacher and you have to list it down. A few names of early human with some details. Okay children, so exercise also over. Now go through the exercise well, learn the exercise well, read the lesson, then go through the exercise, learn question answer, match the following, fill up and get ready for the exams also. Okay.